You see how mouth-watering this macaroni is looking? So it tastes in mouth. Join me, let me take you through on how I prepared this delicious macaroni. Add water in a pot and allow the water to boil. Introduce your macaroni into the boiled hot water in the pot. I use different type of macaroni. Give that a mix and cover to boil for like 30 seconds. Not too much. Then set aside and wash off. In an empty pot, add oil. Allow the oil to heat. Add your onions as well. Give that a quick mix and add minced meat. I'm using minced meat and also chicken in making this food. I added my curry, added my thyme, added my Maggi to taste, and one other Chinese seasoning. Then give that a good mix and introduce my red scotch bonnet pepper. I use red, green, and yellow. Give that a good mix as well. And I also adding tomatoes. These tomatoes, I have fried these tomatoes and set aside before, so there's not too much thing to do because I've fried it. Then give that a good mix and I added my meat stock, my chicken stock. You're not going to add too much because macaroni doesn't need too much water. Okay, now introduce your macaroni into the mixture and mix properly. Continue to mix till everything incorporates. So at this point, you need to taste for Maggi if everything is okay, and cover again to go for some minutes. And remember to lower your gas. So now it's time to add in my vegetable. I added in my green peas, my carrots, my hot dogs, and I make sure I turn properly for everything to incorporate. Also followed in with my broccoli. I added broccoli as well. So make sure you give that a good mix properly. And if you watch this video up to this extent, kindly click the subscribing button and kindly follow my page. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So I added in my well fried chicken. Give that a good mix. Sorry, I'm going to change the pot. I know the pot is over full. I'll change it. All right. So I make sure everything incorporated properly, then cover. You have to cover it this time and make sure you lower your gas. Guys, you need to have a taste of this meal. I bet you, if you make this meal, your family are going to love it. It's so delicious. Do you see how it's looking? So it tastes in mouth as well. Then cover to simmer for some minutes. Now our macaroni is ready. Serve to your family and enjoy. So here I've added it in a bigger pot, so that it will enable the macaroni to to have space. All right, so thank you so much for watching and God bless. Bye.